Hey, what is up guys? Today I'll be demonstrating to you the finished version of the robot dog. As I've showed you in previous videos, the inverse kinematics, it can go up and down, left, right, forward, and back. Now I've ran into a little problem where the shoulder has disconnected, but all I had to do was just open up the case and snap that little sucker back into it and it would fix the problem. But while I was recording the video, I wasn't gonna record it again, so yeah. And here's the bonus feature I talked about. So I had to reset the controller just to even it out. And when I press the middle button, or the second button, the NPU activates and it starts feeding its values into my robot. So roll and pitch is fed into the robot while I have the joystick being controlling the yaw of the robot. So I could basically make the robot dance by making it lean to the side, lean to the. So, yeah, that's the cool part about this robot. So, enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.